Kushiye iningi limangele ukugasela kwamaHawks esikhungweni esihlola izimoto eLigawu eBloemfontein. Kulesikhungo kuboshwe abasolwa abahlanu omunye walandwa esemzini wakhe. Kanti ke kupeqululwe nemizi yalabasolwa ababanjiwe kwashaqwa amaphepha athile.
We arrested one police official and admin clerks at Lengau Traffic Department in Bloemfontein, Free State, and in the other provinces we arrested admin clerks as well as private driving schools and officers. Deregistered vehicles were put through roadworthy without actually the vehicle being seen or taken photos of. Roadworthy certificates were issued and granted to the members of the public, where an amount of gratification was then received from the official.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kuboshwe abanye abasolwa abathathu kanti ke bonke bazovela phambi kwenkantolo yemantshi yaseBloemfontein ngolesihlanu.